my name is Darrell Barnes and I am a YouTube documenter and tutorial maker. In 2014, my son came to me and he said, "Dad, I need a band audition, trumpet audition," and that put me into a panic because I did not know how to record a video and put it on YouTube, and I didn't even know how to title the video. So the video had the MP4 gibberish, the letters and the numbers. It was a start though. A year later, I was walking home from school and there was a feather drifting down the sidewalk. Not tumbling, not blowing, but drifting. As I got closer, I realized there was a tiny ant pulling a large feather. As I got closer and closer, I said, "Where are you going with that feather? And what are you going to do with it when you get there?" There was something that thrilled inside of me, and at that moment, I became a YouTuber. One of my favorite documenter Collaborator YouTube playlists is called Words of Encouragement. I collaborated with some fellow Bible students to make that inspirational playlist. As nature enthusiast, I have a playlist called Watersnake Adventures. If you love chasing snakes, check that out. As tutorial and collaborator, I have made Spanglish videos and playlists, once again, with some Spanish-speaking friends. One of the biggest enjoyments that I've had is making anatomy and physiology reviews with students behind the camera. I can't tell you how good it feels to have someone behind the camera who enjoys and loves the content. That is awesome. It's a great feeling. As tutorial naturalist, I have helped people learn how to find fossil shark teeth of all things in beautiful Mississippi. Frankstown, Mississippi is the place to go, and it's free. This may seem a little bit trifling to you, but easy guacamole recipe on my Darrell Barnes Health channel is something I love because I actually grew the cilantro. I am Darrell Barnes and I am a YouTube creator, I am a YouTube documenter and tutorial maker. Below this video, I will put some links to some of the videos in the playlist I've already discussed with you. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. That's what creates a community on YouTube. And also, as a bonus, thank you, lovely bird. As a bonus, check out episode 1802 on Mississippi roads. It's called Digging It Up. I think you're going to love that video. Keep coming back.